Okay, finally. I think we're up. I just unplugged. You're fine. You're fine. I'll plug you back in. I'll plug you back in. See, that's okay. Is okay. Let's try this. I'm gonna be the survivor because that seems like the basic one. The focusing is like a really cool aspect of this. I like it. Why is the water green? I don't think it's supposed to be green. No, maybe it is. There's like, it's called Rain World for a reason. Oh, it's slightly off center and it's bugging me. There I am. Okay. Can I WASD to move? Oh, I can't? Okay. Can I do a backflip? Hee I'm a sloop kid. Okay. Now I'll just head over here, I guess. Heh. Oh, I found some. It's the blue things over there. How do I get up there? Oh, do I like parkour from... It's the yellow thing! Help me! Help me, please! I can't reach the phone. Oh, there's graffiti on that wall back there. That's neat. Ah! 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 I'm gonna smack you! Ah! It's needle flies. If I don't bug them, they won't bug me, right? Ooh, there's bugs over there. Okay. I can't situate myself perfectly in the yellow thing. Okay. Oh, okay, there's a pole right there. And there's bugs in here. Eh. I'm great at this. Someday I'll be able to do a backflip. Eh. I did it! Yeah! Okay. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Eh. Eh. Come on. I'm gonna get you. Yeah! Oh, I got a couple. I'm gonna get those two. It's that one. Get it. Oh, it died in the grass. What the heck? The spiky grass. I love how there's just my arm is just reaching out. Oh yeah, but I want more. Get over here, you little turd. No, it fell in the grass! Oh, you're alive. Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're alive. Yeah. I want to keep additional food for later. Oh, I wiggle. I can dance. Okay, so they said there's just no more, got it. How do I get up to you? I'll just head back down here, I guess. Unless there's like a pole I can't see. I don't think there's a pole I can't see. Eh! Oh. Can I like climb this? Hit. 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 Maybe I can like crawl up here. And then jump. Oh, that was close. Eh. Oh, I got into this little tunnel. Whee! Do I take fall damage? Oh yeah, I do, because I've seen videos of people like falling off the wall and stuff and then just dying. Oh, okay, I'll go down here. I am the most elegant slug cat. Keep forgetting Z is the jump button. I just want it to be spacebar. Okay, can I get another one if I want to, or will I just like throw up? Nope. Okay, how do I drop it? Well, that's how. Okay. Any other wise words of wisdom, Mr. Yellow Neuron guy? I don't even know what you are. You seem offended by that. It's okay, I don't know what I am either. Goodbye. Oh, that crawling animation, though. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Beat the gap. What gap? Oh, okay. I can like crouch. And then... Yeah! Oh! Neat! Oh, okay. Oh, that's scary. No, 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 no. I don't want to die in the rain. The rain is scary. Oh, it's shaking the screen. They're really good at making rain scary. Okay. Ooh, what's that red thing over there? Hee, I take a nap. Cool. It's screwing me up because I'm used to the Sure, yeah, that's how we crawl through tunnels. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can find a spear. Ah, a spear. Yeah! Oh. I have the power. How do I aim? Do I like... Yeah! Wait, why am I shaking? I'm not doing anything, man. Ooh. Rock. Rock. Yeah, yeah. Dang, those are some ferocious throws there. I'm gonna grab a rock and I'm gonna grab a spear. Can I eat the rock? What happens if I throw up the rock? Wait, how do I throw up the rock? Oh. It's still a rock. Okay, glad to see that. Ooh. Eh. I do a balance. Okay, how do I get the spear back? I'll just... Oh, I don't want the rock. There's another spear. All is well. It's not a spear. Can I eat it? Ha! Hickin' stick. Give me my spear back. I need that. Fine. I'll use rocks. Wait. Are you like sticky or is that just physics being weird? How do I switch hands? Nope, that's how I throw. Well, there's no holding down option. Okay, I'm sure they'll teach us. Ugh. Man, look at all those bats. I'm gonna throw rocks at them. Well, I'm really bad at throwing rocks. I could have grabbed that one. No, the grass! Back here. Back here, you little turds. Yeah! Yeah. Oh, wait, I can, like, climb to the top of this. I can get you from- oh, they're hiding in the grass. But you aren't hiding in the grass. Yeah! Oh my gosh, I actually got one. Haha, trick shot. Trick. I looked at it funny and it flew off. I feel powerful. Wait, that's the point of this game. You feel powerful and then you get eaten by a lizard. Ooh, is that a helicopter down there? How do I- oh yes, Z. I did a fantastic job at that. Oh, and I lost my rock over there as well. I'm gonna get my other one. Wait. I got time. This one's got tendrils hanging out of it because I ate it and barfed it up. What happens if I throw one? Can I aim? Or am I just stupid? Oh, I made it. I'm gonna eat this guy. I'm full, yay. Nope, space bars. Yay. More bats. Oh no. Oh, that's green. It's not gonna come out if I go over there, right? I'm just gonna sneak over here. Don't mind me. I'm scared of lizards. Oh, I just did a backflip! Heck yeah! This is why my spear back. Because there's lizards and they're scary. Maybe I can, like... Did a fantastic job. I'm great at jumping into this too, but I'm not great at jumping to grab my spear. just want a spear. Alright, alright, I'll go hibernate. It's like the cool little vague rainbowness around here. I'm wondering, what, like, humans engineered these, like, specific doors that are just perfect for slug cats to hibernate in for the rain? Or was it, like, scavengers or something that engineered them? Or other slug cats? What is the lore behind them? Oh, okay. Ugh! Haven't explored that spot yet, clearly. I'm gonna explore that spot! How do I continue? Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, my rock! What if I eat it again? Literally nothing happens. Okay. Good to know. I'm gonna explore a bit over here, because why the heck not? Maybe there'll be spears up here. Heh! Oh. But it flashed green! That means lizard! And lizards are scary and I don't have any spears. Ooh, rock. Eh. What if I just, like, slugged my way down here? Is there a spear down here? Are you a spear? Nope, you're a rock. Oh. Oh. Why do you flash when you do nothing? Are you a stick? Or are you just a... Are you a spear or a stick? Are you a spear? Yeah. And I can't long jump off of... Yeah. Oh, there's like a way I can like crawl up here, right? And just like... Ha! Ha! Eh! Yeah. Ah! It's close. Oh, that ain't good. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Ah, they can climb sticks. I'm gonna die. I don't want to. Have a rock. Have a rock. I dropped both my rocks. Heh. You're really good at this. Dang it! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, okay, he's busy having a- Oh no! Yeah, rock! 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 Oh, I stunned it. I can't do any damage because I'm dead. He got me. Can I fight back? Am I just straight up dead? Okay. Wait, I want to see where he takes me, and if it has like a seizure while he's at it. Oh, they're gonna fight. Fight, fight, fight. Yep, I'm still dead. There's a spear over there! Yeah, I'm gonna restart. Will my spear still be there? Wait, spear? Oh, yeah. Do I be able to grab my spear is the question. Doesn't look like it. Maybe there's a spear in here. Are you a spear? A spear! Oh, you guys are screwed now, 'cause I got a spear. Okay, now I just gotta. Got a rock and a spear. Okay, which one will I throw? Spear. Spear just take highest priority, or is it like a... Dang it, I just lost another spear, didn't I? Heh. Man. Oh. Maybe there'll be... Actually, I'm gonna grab the rock. Damn. Where did this? I made it! Oh, heck yeah. Can I... Oh, dang it. Uh-oh. I better learn this real quick. Oh, dang it. I'm not learning it real quick. Please don't come out of that. Please don't come out of that! Neither of you come out of your holes anytime soon. I still have to figure out how jumping works. Dang it. Please don't come out of the hole. I'm gonna grab another stick. This is not a stick. I'm gonna grab another rock just in case. Ha! Screw it, I'm just gonna go up. Can't go up that one. Oh. Okay. Let's try this again. Bats! I know you're in there. Get over here. Ah! Look at me, I was about to say, look at me, I'm getting so good that I just fell off the heckin' cliff. Well, that's a pretty useless stick. Man. Can I not walk across that pole? The heck? Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that ain't good! Into the hole! Into the hole! Into the hole! Get me out of here! I don't want to die today. What if I go down there? Stick! Oh wait, can I like... hold two sticks at once? Nope, doesn't look like it, but that's okay. That means I can fight wizards. Woohoo! Okay. Parkour. And going out of a hole butt first, apparently. Okay, I can do this. So come out of there. I'm about to climb up this tube, and I will shoot a spear at you. And hopefully not get it stuck in a wall. Because I've been doing that a lot recently. Oh, what? Yeah. I did it! Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Not today. Not today. Oh. Need a fly. They don't bug me if I don't bug them right. Oh, here he is. Here he comes. Here comes the boy. He's really bad at this. There's two of them. That's not good. I don't want to die again. That was a pretty sucky experience dying the first time. Oh, they're weeping. Are they? Oh! Hello, my good sir. Ooh, are they gonna fight? Ooh, they're fighting. Don't mind me, Mayan. I'm just observing. Oh, crap. Heh. How about I just, like... Oh, that I could. You don't mind if I just spear you real quick, right? Have a rock. Nope. I'm gonna die. Ooh! I mean, we're both gonna... Oh. And he's got me. Well, I mean, either way, I was going to die, so, like... And I'm back at Karma 1. My rock! The one that I barfed up. Yay! Spear! I'm gonna need that. Fruit! Oh. I won't bug you. No pun intended. Oh, there's a lot of them. What if I just bug one? Screw it. I'm not being a vegan today. I want to kill at least one lizard. So I know how to kill things other than moth bats. Oh! What are you? And there's another one. I'm gonna see if they fight. Ooh, they're fighting. Fight. I'm gonna see what happens if I spear that thing. I'm gonna spear that thing real quick. Oh, yep, I'm gonna spear that thing real quick, B. You see you later. Ah! Nope. I threw the rock. Have a spear! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Still have a goal to spear a lizard. I'm not gonna end this video until I spear a lizard. There's no spear up there. It's just a- oh, there's a spear down there though. I'm gonna get the spear. I'm gonna go down this one over here. Oh, especially since there's like a spear. Oh yeah, I can't pick up more than one spear at once. For some hacking reason. Neat. Wait. I'll get you. I'll get you. It's the scary balls. What happens if I throw a spear at it? It stole my spear! Hey, give it back! Get, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I don't want to die. Goodbye! Is there a spear over here? Please don't follow me. It's following me. The problem is with my goal to spear a lizard is I don't have a spear. My voice just got really high-pitched all of a sudden. Whoa! There's a spear over here somewhere, right? Did it stop following me? Hello, my good sir. I'm not going to bother you. I don't even have any weapons on me right now. Ugh. Dang it. I'd appreciate it if you got within arm's reach of me. Ah. Oh! Fight! 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 Oh! They fighting! Did the lizard win? They're having fun. I think the lizard's winning. Oh, no, 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 no. Haha. You can't get me. I'm gonna eat this real quick. Ooh, they're fighting. Fight. Fight, 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 fight. There's the third one. What time is it? Time to start hurrying a little. Oh, it's a purple one. Those are the scary ones, right? Hi, I'm just gonna go back here, don't mind me. Are there any spears back here, perchance? I would appreciate it. I'm gonna go in here. Oh no! Okay. Okay. I got a spear. I'm good. I feel safe. I probably don't have high enough karma to pass the- oh, it's a purple wizard. I'm gonna spear it. Nowhere to go. Oh, it does very much have somewhere to go. I'm gonna eat this. Ooh, neat. Ha! Oh, I hit it! What? Ha! Ha! Ah! Oh! Oh, I'm alive! Ha! Ah! Is it alive? Can I eat it? I can eat it! Oh, I did it! Wait, is it alive or no? Yeah, I have no reason to keep this flower. Is it still grabbing onto me? Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Huh. Okay, I killed it. But I am stuck and the rain is gonna kill me. Okay, up, 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 up. Ah! Ugh. I accept my fate because somehow I am stuck. Oh? Oh? Oh! Scary. Can I have my spear back at least? Am I free? Am I free? Am I free? Am I free? Why can I not get away? I'm gonna die in the floodwaters. Wait, 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 I can swim. I can swim with this thing attached to me. Can I have my spear back at least? Where am I? Oh, the audio cutting out to the water thing is realistic as well. Oh, this game is really good. Oh, I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm not alive! Gross. It's the weird rock with the things in it. I did still successfully spear a lizard. It just also grabbed onto me, so I was kind of stuck to it. Spear! I feel happy now. Oh, cool. It marks sites where I've died. Are the blue things like food? Yeah, it looks like it. Alright. I could definitely use some food. Get over here. I'm gonna get you. What happens if I... Oh, dang. Oh, you're not getting away from me. You're not getting away from me! Oh, it got away from me. Okay, I'm not ending this session until I kill a lizard and live to tell the tale. Get a little bit closer, I dare you. Alright, I'm full. I might just flip and throw my spear. Oh, neat! It's a little bat skewer. I'm going home. Good night. I'm taking the bat skewer with me. I like it. Look at this. It's beautiful. I'm taking a nap. Good night. Wonder if it's still recording. Oh wow, it is. It's gonna be fun for future me to sort through. Hopefully it'll be entertaining at least. Future me, if you're watching this, I hope you're entertained. No, my bat skewer! Okay, now, new mission. Kill a lizard. And live. Whoa. It's not very helpful, but okay. Lizard. Oh crap! Dang it! I was doing so well. My spear! Yay! Oh no. Oh. Can I always have my spear back? Oh, I hit it! Right. Hot! Nope, nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Goodbye! Goodbye! Great. No, it's my spear again. Goodbye! See ya later! What's down here? Another spear, perchance? There is another spear. How long is it? Oh yeah, I definitely got time. I was about to say, okay, let's try this again, all dramatically, and then I just face planted the ground. I'm getting better, I swear. See, look at that. It's clean as heck. Don't crawl out of there now. Well, actually, go ahead, crawl out of there now. I'm prepared. I'll just stab you again. Frick yeah. Ah. Just saying, if you feel like coming back out of there, I'm ready. Hey, can you let go of me? Yeah, I just want to grab my spear. Did I kill it? Oh, nope, I did not. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, maybe if they fight enough, I could get free. I just want to kill a lizard. Okay? I want to feel powerful. Oh, it's a pink lizard. It's a pink lizard fighting a green lizard. Oh no! Oh no! Nope, 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 nope. sounds like a you problem. Oh, they can climb stuff! Oh no! Oh, I hit the needle fly. Oh, and the lizard got me. No. Lizard! Ooh, the pole is eating it. Oh, what the heck? It spawned the pole in midair. That's trippy. Nope, 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 nope. I don't want to die, dang it. Oh, there's two of them. I'm gonna grab this spear real quick and just... Oh, you're angry, huh? Well, you can't get me from up here. I'm gonna wait for these two to finish fighting. Oh, hey, there's a third one. Come to join the party? Huh? Oh no! Oh no! I'm in your hair, I'm in your hair. While you're distracted, you mind if I just grab my spear real quick? You two done yet? It might start raining soon. Nope, 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 nope. Hey! Wait, wait. Maybe I can... No, I'm pretty dead. And I'm also being flung around like a dog boy. Oh! Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, yep, I'm pretty dead. Oh. It's a rainbow! What perfect weather to go massacring lizards with. Oh, that ain't good. Yeah, that ain't good. Ah, secured 3 of them. Oh, I skewered 4 of them. Jeez. Skewering all the bats. Alright, future me here. Didn't end up killing a lizard, and living afterwards in the video. But off camera I managed it because a lizard somehow found its way into, like, my main area, I guess. And after many, many deaths, I ended up with these couple of screenshots. And look at that, I also figured out how to let go of lizards. So yeah. It was fun, I liked it.